Hi, this is Janet from Try It Like It Created, and today I have a tip for you on how to make double-sided cardstock. And so what I'm working with here is a spray adhesive. The one I'm using is a multi-purpose spray from Beacon. You can use any spray adhesive. I have cut my cardstock or scrapbooking paper down to 8 by 8 just to make it a size manageable to show you in this video, but it is just a flat piece with a white back. And then I have a piece of wrapping paper, and this is the secret to making it double-sided. What you want is an inexpensive, thin wrapping paper that coordinates with your pattern. So I'm going to bring my spray booth in here, or spray box, and hopefully I can do this on screen. We're going to give the scrapbook paper a nice thin coat of spray adhesive. Okay, so I have sprayed this side, and before it completely dries on me, and I haven't sprayed my other sheet, so I'm just gonna give this a go and see if I can get these two. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to spray both sides. So let me bring my spray box back in, put down my wrapping paper, and give that a nice fine coat. And then you want to put the two pieces together. So I'm going to lay down my wrapping paper, move my box out of the way, bring in my scrapbooking paper, have the patterns both going the same direction, and I'm going to go something just like that. And then I'm just going to smooth them out together. Alright, so then you want to just double check, make sure you have a nice smooth application. Now, because the wrapping paper is really thin and I got it wet by spraying it, it may wrinkle on you. And so you want to just work out those wrinkles before everything dries and before you trim down. Okay. Alright, so now you have the option to put this into a paper trimmer or use a pair of scissors. And all you need to do is cut along the edge of the thicker piece of paper. And so there, I have a thicker double-sided piece of paper than what I started with. And it can be used now for folding or for crafting, punching, die cutting, whatever you want to do. And if you'd like to, you could, put some weight on this and let it dry overnight, and just make sure that everything is adhered down well. But there you go, is your double-sided piece of paper made from one piece that did not have anything on the back. But by using the really thin wrapping paper, you can get double-sided paper.